Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, aka Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. This week I'm celebrating both Cinco de Mayo and May the 4th with the Max Rebo Margarita. It's a blue drink that tastes delicious, and neither of us is an elephant.
Neither of us is an elephant.
Max Rebo's greatest hits, the guy who looks like a blue elephant. Order now.
To make this drink, you'll need 21 seeds, cucumber, jalapeno, tequila, a little bit of this Sūpāsawā. This is a Belgian redistilled sour mix. It's shelf stable, it's delicious, and it's perfectly clear, so it won't muddy the color of our drink. A little bit of blue Curaçao. Invest in a good one here. If this is not a sugar bomb, the Giffard one is a very nice blue Curaçao. And then a little saline solution. So if you don't know how to make saline solution, check the link below and watch my other video. Okay, to make this drink, you'll need 1.5 ounces of tequila. You can use Blanco tequila in this, it works great. I just like a little bit of extra spice since I'm in the cantina or Jabba's Palace, wherever I'm listening to Max Rebo. You'll need 1/2 ounce of this Belgian Sūpāsawā and 1 ounce of blue Curaçao. And I'm gonna put in 4 drops of this saline solution. A little extra salt. Add some ice and shake. Then fine strain this. A beautiful blue color. Cheers. It's really good. It's a damn good margarita. The nice spice in here from the cucumber and jalapeno is just a fun little take. If you're having a Star Wars themed party this week, get yourself these ingredients so you can make this. This is a fun and delicious way to celebrate your Cinco de Mayo and your May the 4th. If you want to learn how to make cocktails at home, check out my monthly cocktail classes. You can find more at boozefreaks.com. Que el cuarto está contigo. May the 4th be with you.